Hello folks and welcome to Netcruzer Cars. Today there are two auto shows in the Ottawa area. One is Wicked Garage, which was a rain date postponed from the May long weekend. And I also learned that there's a Cars and Coffee today, which is also more in like downtown Ottawa with more exotics. So we're gonna do Wicked Car Show first, which will be more classics. And I'm gonna take my van again, all waxed up. It's, I mean, not really entering it in the show, but I'm gonna drive it there. Why not? Heck, why not, right? Why wouldn't I? Let's take the old air-cooled van again and go to some car shows. I'm late though. It's not quite that time. I gotta set the time. I do really like these things for keeping the shade out. They're just little I mean, maybe in the old days, if you're older, you remember those like styrofoamy ones. Those were awful. These ones are much better because you can just take them and go whoop, like this. Okay, let's go. Arrived at the show. Since I've got my good mirrorless camera here, I think I'm just going to try and work on my photography skills and take some cool pictures, and then I'll do a photo montage of the Wicked Garage car. Alright guys, I think that's it. A little bit lower turnout this year. I think I'm going to head over to the Cars and Coffee next, and then we'll see what that's like. There's some cool new stuff, like these rat roddy things. Don't recall ever seeing those before. Alright guys, so that was Wicked. I'm going to take off from here. I was here for less than an hour, and now I'm going to go and check out Cars and Coffee, which should have more exotics and more stuff that I'm personally into. Let's go check that out. Now I'm in an underground parking lot because for Cars and Coffee it's like a ridiculously small area. I couldn't get in, so I just went into a parking area, and now I have to find my way upstairs to find Cars and Coffee. This is where it is. It's cordoned off. It is not a big area at all. That's what I was saying. Like, it's pretty small. Check it out. Sick paint. Shade is nice. It's hot. It's hot out here. Holy cow. A lot of BMWs. A lot. Okay guys, so that'll probably be it for this one. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.